This 5 big drum primary samba pack contains the big drums you need for starting a samba group or extending your current samba resource, and includes 3 top quality Surdos, a Repinique and a Caixa marching drum, all suitable for primary players. There's also a step-by-step teaching guide that takes players from basics to performance in just a term of lessons, all backed up by extensive online audio and video support. Let's take a closer look. The acclaimed teaching guide takes teacher and class from basics to performance level in just a term of lessons. It's backed up by online video and audio clips, plus downloadable lesson plans, and it's designed for class teachers as well as music specialists. The Brazilian Samba Primary 5 Big Drums Pack. The perfect big drum foundation for a primary samba club or for extending your existing class resource.